Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs without oil. First, select a high-quality non-stick pan. This is crucial for preventing your eggs from sticking. Place your pan on the stove top and heat it over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want the pan to be warm but not smoking hot to ensure an even cook and a perfect release. Once your pan is perfectly preheated, carefully crack your egg directly into the center. Avoid overcrowding the pan if you're cooking multiple eggs. Let the egg cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk. If you like a firmer yolk, extend the cooking time to 4 to 5 minutes, watching closely to prevent overcooking. For perfectly set whites and a slightly firmer yolk without flipping, try this trick. Add just 1 tablespoon of water to the pan, then immediately cover it with a lid. The steam created will gently cook the top of the egg. Let it steam for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the whites are fully set to your liking. This method ensures a beautifully cooked egg. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, gently slide it from the pan onto your plate. A good non-stick surface will make this effortless. Season your oil-free fried egg with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground pepper or any other seasonings you enjoy. Now you have a delicious, healthier fried egg, ready to be enjoyed on its own or with your favorite breakfast sides.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.